Hey guys, this is Grant Evans from Ecological. Today we're going to be installing the roof cab spoiler in this 24 Toyota Tacoma. This is a pretty boring area of the truck, so we're going to try and dress it up a little. Follow along. With your roof cab spoiler, you'll receive a tube of adhesion promoter along with the installation instructions. You'll also need some masking tape, isopropyl alcohol, and a clean cloth. First, you'll need to perform a dry fit. Do this by following all the instructions in this video without removing the red backing to the tape. This gives you the opportunity to check for a good fit while allowing you to have some practice before the applique is permanently on the truck. Clean the area of the roof cab with isopropyl alcohol to get rid of any debris or residue. Pick up your adhesion promoter stick and press down on the area indicated on the stick to puncture the vial inside. Apply the adhesion promoter to all areas of the roof cab where the 3M tape will be touching down. On the perimeter of the part, peel back the edges of the red backing to the 3M tape about 2 inches and wrap it around to the front side, securing it in place with masking tape. Peel the backing completely away from the interior portions of your 3M tape. When you're done masking, your part should look something like this. Slide the spoiler over your roof cab. Be sure not to let the exposed tape touch down until it's in position. Once you're happy with its position, begin peeling back the red tabs we taped to the front of the part earlier in the video. Start at the top of the part and work your way to the bottom. Apply pressure as you go. Repeat this process on both sides. Now that everything's in place, apply firm pressure to the entire part using your microfiber cloth. If your part came with a protective film, you can begin peeling that back now. Alright guys, thanks for following along. Hopefully that was an easy install for you. Make sure to keep up with all the new stuff we have coming out for this truck. See you on the next video.